get a nice fold happening on each side here. I think we got it. I think we got it, Paula. We got it.
Honey, you're so funny. Will you marry me?
How old are you?
I'm 31.
Sorry, expired.
Oh my
Robert, what is this?
Oh, yeah.
What was that?
All right, just a small piece. It's cake, I promise. It's not you. Look, chocolate. See? Totally safe. You're too much.